Hello, James here. I decided to do a video discussing Down syndrome. Down syndrome is a genetic disorder caused by the fetus during conception gaining an extra chromosome number 21. Down syndrome causes distinct facial appearance, academic disability, developmental delays, and may be linked with thyroid or heart disease. Medical specialists will conduct additional screenings. Early involvement programs with a team of therapists and special educators who can treat each child's specific situation are helpful in managing Down syndrome. In the U.S., Down syndrome is the least funded major genetic condition by our National Institutes of Health, despite being the most frequent chromosomal disorder. Because of this, and because of lack of funding from our government organizations, there is surprisingly little known definitively about the condition. The Global Down Syndrome Foundation is committed to funding medical and basic research that will provide answers to the many questions that remain. Thought it'd be a good idea for me to do a video of Down syndrome awareness because I actually known some people who have it, and it's now one of my two jobs is at a preschool full of special needs children, and some of the kids that actually do have Down syndrome as well. Yeah, I did contact. This is someone with Down syndrome that I used to live next door to. His name's Matthew. Yeah, I'm still in touch with the family. He somewhat the family that we lived next door. Yeah, his family. He was pretty close with us, and we actually called his parents Uncle Laura and Aunt Carol. Yeah, and so this is a photo of him at the Creme Niagara. Yeah, Carol's the one that I asked to send me some photos of him. Yeah, I just wanted to send some photos of somebody that I knew and thought he'd be the best bet. So looks like he was promoting some type of health type thing here. Invite me to heck him in. Yeah, not sure how to pronounce that, but yeah, pretty neat. So he does a TV commercial. Yeah. And the neighborhood that my family lived in originally, we were pretty close with our neighbors. Yeah, everybody was aunt or uncle, their first name, and I actually didn't know a lot of people and refer to them by Mr. or Mrs. until first grade. Yeah. Not sure what this is, but that's pretty neat too. Yeah. Matthew's a pretty good one. I was ready to hug everyone that he knows really well. Yeah, I had the idea to make a video of Down syndrome awareness a little over a week ago. I asked a nurse at the preschool if thought that'd be a good idea, or if enough people already know about it. She said that it was good to promote awareness, so did bring up to me that people with Down syndrome do tend to be very sweet. No, that's true. Yeah. Yeah, from what I've seen, children with Down syndrome, are also capable of doing quite a bit that they set their mind to, just like anyone else. If you've watched on my videos, you probably know that I've brought up that autistic people can do anything they set their minds to. Well, I've seen people with Down syndrome do quite a bit too. I knew this other kid named Sean who had Down syndrome. He took karate where I took kickboxing classes at the Project Future, and he earned a black belt at one point. That's pretty impressive. Let's see now. Alright. So anyway, here's some ways to recognize someone with Down syndrome. Common physical features of Down syndrome include a flattened face, especially the bridge of the nose, almond-shaped eyes that slant up, a short neck, small ears, a tongue that tends to stick out of the mouth, tiny white spots on the iris, colored part of the eye, small hands and feet, a single line across the palm of the hand, palmar crease, small pinky fingers that sometimes curve toward the thumb, poor muscle tone or loose joints, shorter in height as children and adults. I'm not sure, if there's anything else to say about Down syndrome right now, but if I come across more, I could definitely make another video. That's all for now. Have a good night.